In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch your Instagram to a personal account and how to permanently delete it if you decide to. First up, switching to a personal account is the safest way to remove business features without losing your posts, followers, or messages. This turns off tools like insights and ads while keeping your profile intact. To do this, open the Instagram app and tap your profile icon in the bottom right, then tap the three lines in the top right to open the menu. Choose Settings and Privacy and look for Business Tools and Controls. Depending on your account, you may see Creator Tools and Controls instead. Either is fine. Inside that section, scroll until you find Switch Account Type or Switch to Personal Account. Tap it. Instagram will show a brief warning explaining which features you'll lose, like analytics and promotions. Review that, and when you're ready, tap Switch Back to confirm. The change happens right away, although it can take a few minutes for every part of the app to reflect it. If you don't see the change immediately, give it a moment and then try refreshing your profile. This switch preserves everything about your content and followers. It only removes the business-specific tools. If you've decided you want to fully delete your account, either after switching or straight away, you'll use Instagram's Account Center. Keep in mind, deletion is serious. After 30 days, it's irreversible and all content and followers are permanently removed. From your profile, open the menu again and go to Settings and Privacy, then tap Account Center. In Account Center, select Personal Details. Next, go to Account Ownership and Control, and then tap Deactivation or Deletion. Choose the account you want to remove, select Delete Account, and follow the prompts. Instagram will ask you to pick a reason, re-enter your password, and confirm. Once you confirm, the deletion process starts. There's a 30-day window before everything is permanently erased, so make sure you're absolutely certain before proceeding. If you only want a temporary break, deactivation is also available in that same area, but if your goal is complete removal, deletion is the option to choose. And that's it. You now know how to switch back to a personal Instagram account to remove business features without losing your data, and how to permanently delete your account through Account Center if that's the right move for you. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Instagram tips and tutorials.